My name is Richard from Rain and Horn Ipswich, and a big welcome to 37 Pencarrow Cres in Raceview. So first of all, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. It is just a walkthrough video. It is not a promo video. I just want to welcome you to the home. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2 large living space home. We've got an enormous outdoor entertaining area with insulated paneling. There's a 2-car garage, and we're sitting on a large corner allotment of 688 square metres. Now, there is the potential for side access if you've got a boat, a caravan, or an extra vehicle that you want to park. However, you would need to install gates to make that work. Have a bit of a look through the home, see what you think. I'd love to see you at one of our open homes or any one of our inspections. Give me a call. As I said, my name is Richard Bird from Rain and Horn in Ipswich. My number is 0448 418 518. That's 0448 418 518. I hope to see you here really, really soon.